my channel. I know after so many days later I'm just coming back with my new video. Have you missed me? I don't think so. Anyway, actually for some reason I have not uploaded any of my videos, but from now onwards I am definitely going to put some interesting videos. I hope that will definitely going to help you. Anyway, so let's get started my video. This is, I think, after 7-8 months later I'm just filming this one and I'm going to upload this one. So anyway, so there are two products that I'm going to show you. One is this one. As you can see, this is two Garnier products. Yes, this one and this one. These two products review. Today I'm going to do that. This tub, this yellow one, this yellow tub, this is I think I have given 69 rupees, and this is basically for day purpose we can use it. Now if you will ask me why we should use, I know that as also you can see on my skin some acne is there, some acne, some spots are there if you can see it. So especially I thought क्यों ना इसको try करके देखें. So that's why I just have bought it. First one, as you can see, this छोटू yellow color tub. This is, smell is not good, but yes, I have oily acne prone skin, so I have bought it just because of, as you can see, I have some spot on my skin, so that's why I thought क्यों ना इसको try किया जाए. So it's just similar like that Fair and Lovely cream that we wear in teenage, that we used to use it. So let me use on my skin. Please avoid the eye area, as it's also written on the packaging that you need to avoid your eye area, as it's very sensitive area of our skin. So after using what I feel that this product basically makes my skin so much whitish. I don't know why it's doing that, though it's claimed that it's gives you a very brightish and spotless skin after 1 week of use, and also it claims that it protects your skin from sunburn and sun damage. So as you can see, it's a white color patches which is appearing on my skin, so that's I really don't like, and it's making my skin so much dry. I cannot even tell you, though I have very oily acne prone skin, but it's making my skin so much dry, so I really don't want to use it. So this is the reason where I just stopped using this product. I don't want to buy another tub. But yes, the next product, this one, this is, as the name says, basically it smells really good. It smells really good. As you can see, just a very small portion has left, and I totally love this product. Just 150 rupees. And second reason is, this is something which I think everybody can buy, because this is so pocket friendly. Though the first one also, it's also 69, it is also pocket friendly, but this I have some mixed reviews on it. I don't know whether it's work on my spot or not, but I have seen that it's just making my skin so dry, and it's just giving me a only white color coating on my skin. So that's why I just have stopped using this product. Now this one, obviously it's totally hydrates your skin when I am using it at night, and at the morning I definitely can see a very hydrates, moisturized and glowing skin. So that's I really like. So those who are using these two products, you definitely can share your views on it. But if you will take my opinion, I will definitely say you can give it a try for this product. But this product I am not sure about it. I have some mixed reviews on this product. So but this one definitely you can get it and you can buy it. So this is available online. I will try to put the online links in the description box. If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe. The bell button.